Oh crap. Here we go. Here we go. I'm telling right now.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Monroe County, southwestern Clinton County, Morgan County, Hendricks County, central Clay County, Owen County, southeastern Clark County, Boone County, Montgomery County, Putnam County, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Jeez, includes
At 2:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Petersburg to 7 miles south of Terre Haute, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
This is not good.
The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Richmond around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Linden and Center Point around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Darlington, Colfax, Bowling Green, and Patricksburg around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Thorntown, Kegels, Mill Lake, Spencer, Gosport, Dever, Quincy, McCormick's Creek State Park, Paragon, Steinsville, and Martinsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 128 and 147. Interstate 70 between mile markers 21 and 68. Interstate 74 between mile markers 28 and 69.
Ah!
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'm doomed.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clay, Clinton, Hendricks, Monroe, Montgomery, Morgan, Owen, Park, and Putnam.
Jesus, big one.